Hi guys, Domino's here, and this is the DiskStation DS214se from Synology. Now let me parse that name for you. DiskStation because this one here is a network attached storage device, one that provides storage to the entire network. 2 because it's a dual-based server, and 14 because it's made this year, 2014. How about SE? That's the interesting part. It's not for second edition or special edition. Instead, it's for single row. And that means 2 things. Number 1, this one here is a cheap server, or should I say affordable. It's not made in China, not mainland China at least. Now, this server here costs $150 for no storage, or $340 with 4 TB included. And for what it can do, that's not much at all. Now second, it is designed to be very good at doing one task at a time and not for heavy multitasking. It can multitask, alright, but it's not very good at that. And that's because on the inside, it's powered by a 800 MHz processor and only 256 MB of system memory. That's it. You cannot upgrade or change that. Another thing you cannot change with the server is this terrible dry bay design here. There is no dry bay. Instead, you have to open the chassis to reach the internal drives on the inside. It's quite easy. Let me show you. You just undo these 2 screws on the back right here, slice it, and now it's open. But that though means you cannot change the hard drive when the server is still running. So hard drive hot swapping is the very cool feature that this server doesn't have. Now, to make up for that, it has many other things. Mostly thanks to the fact that it runs the latest DiskStation Manager 5.0. That is by far the best, the most robust operating system for NAS server on the market. Now, first of all, that OS is controlled by a web interface, meaning everything's happened on a web page. But on this web page, everything works just like a native operating system. There is a desktop here for you to put quick shortcut on, a taskbar here for you to see all the notification and quickly switch user, and of course there is a control panel for you to change everything else. As you can see, the server here supports all common settings found in any server. You can create share folder, create new user, manage user by group, and so on, and all other things. It can also support time machine natively. And there's a quick connect feature right here that allows you to quickly make the server work over the internet very easily. However, the best thing about this server here is the package center. Here you can install new packages on this server. Each package actually is a program or an app that adds a new function or feature to the server. So the package center to this server is somewhat like the App Store to the iPhone. The download center, for example, is the best way to find and get stuff from the internet. So type in what you want, search for it, and then click on the result. That's it. You can actually download multiple things at the same time. The cloud station is also great. It basically allows the server here to work like a Dropbox server, except there is no storage limit and no monthly fee either. So in all, the DS214se right here offers tremendous value for how much it costs. Now in my testing, the server here also offers great performance with the sustained write speed of more than 50 MB per second and the sustained read speed of more than 100 MB per second. Now those not the best I've ever seen, but indeed very fast. Now the server did get significantly slower when I made it to run multiple heavy tasks at the same time, but for a home with casual need of data sharing, media streaming, backup, it is still a pretty good storage system. For more on this NAS server here, check out my full review at Synology.com. One thing though, don't go looking for me using the download station. I'm not going to be responsible for what you find. You should know how to reach me already. And that's because I'm Dong-Ngo. And by the way, don't go parsing that name. It's a mystery. And this has been the first look at the DiskStation DS214se from Synology.